Imagine unlocking the secrets hidden in your Amazon PPC data simply by asking questions in plain English. No more endlessly clicking through Amazon's on-screen reporting, navigating seemingly endless rabbit warrens of campaigns, ad groups, and search terms, to end up at a tiny subset of your data with almost zero options for analysis. No more feeling lost in spreadsheets, no more wondering what's really happening deep below the surface. With askPPC, it's your data, your questions, your way. Unlike Amazon's download reports, which limit you to just 60 days of data, askPPC lets you unleash the full potential of up to 12 months of your Amazon advertising history. Finally, access long-term trends and seasonal patterns. Nothing slips under the radar anymore. Ask anything in plain English. Our AI instantly delivers custom insights exactly how you need them. Slice and dice your data in unlimited ways. Spot trends, identify opportunities, and maximize your profit. askPPC gives you the power to analyze your PPC data exactly as you need to for maximum impact. Stop struggling to get answers from your Amazon PPC data. All you need to do is ask.